Here we have the 2008 Ford Ranger. Comes with a 4-liter V6 engine, automatic transmission, in a beautiful black color. Let's take a look inside. Coming inside, have a nice armrest here with your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Gray and black colored cloth upholstery. Let's hop inside. Left side here you have your fog light and your headlight controls, digital gauge cluster dimming controls as well. For your interior lighting. Got your cruise control functions on the right hand side. Your rain wiper controls for the front wipers. 2 air vents. You got your radio. You have 4 high, 4 low, and 2-wheel drive mode. CD player. We have AM and FM available on the radio as well. You got your climate control functions, front defrost, fan controls. Got 2 cup holders, nice little center console there with some extra storage, a rear view mirror. Let's take a look outside this Ford Ranger Sport 4x4 2008. We have our halogen headlights and fog lights here at the front. Got 2 front tow hooks, a black finished grille with your Ford badge in the middle. Going around, we have the all-terrain BS Goodrich tires, the silver alloy rims, paint matching door handles, rear tinted windows. We got 2 doors in this truck. Sport 4x4 trim badge, Ranger badge, trailer tow package. Open up the tailgate, you can see composite box liner, tons of room in here for any storage. Really nice little small work truck, good for hauling some equipment. Let's take a look at the back seat. To enter the back seats, open the front door. The suicide door, open this like so. You got 2 small seats here in the back that just fold down, as you can see. They have their own cup holders and all that as well. Let's head back outside. Let her wrap it up with the 2008 Ford Ranger Sport 4x4 in a beautiful black color. If you have any questions or want to book a test ride, please visit us at park.mazda.ca. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Great day.